Hey, are you looking for a way to make some extra money? In this video, we will discuss why you should start a side hustle. Finding a job can be difficult, especially if you're under the age of 18. But if you're eager and motivated, why not start a side hustle? A side hustle is a fantastic way to make some extra money in your free time. Quick note before we get into the list, any money that you receive through your side hustle may have to be reported to the IRS if you make over a certain amount. We suggest talking to a parent or guardian before getting started on your side hustle. Now with that out of the way, let's get into the list. If you enjoy spending time with animals and are responsible, why not become the neighborhood pet sitter and dog walker? This is a fantastic way to earn some extra dollars and spend time with man's best friend. Do you love taking photos and making videos? Why not become a photographer or videographer? There's no need for expensive lights and cameras in this day and age. All you really need is your smartphone, a good eye, and the ability to process those photos and images. People are shooting amazing work every single day on their smartphones and sharing it to platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Remember, my friends, the best camera is the one that's with you. If you enjoy working with technology and computers, you should look into helping people build their websites. Platforms like Squarespace and Wix require no coding, and it's an easy way to create a stunning website. Do you know everything about social media, including Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat? If that's the case, then you should become a social media assistant. It's a great way to help people sell products, stay connected, and up their social media game. Looking for more side hustles? Check the article in the description below where we list a ton of ideas that you can start today. You can also text HELLO to 335577 or head to getschool.com. Be sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.